Part 1. Enter VTO Web by VTO IP address. Go to System. Go to Time. Select the correct local time zone. For example, Casablanca. Click Apply to continue. Now the VTO time zone is well changed. Part 2. Press Setting. Press for General Setting. Press Time Zone. Select the correct local time zone. For example, UTC+1. Now the VTH time zone is well changed.